Yeah, so here we're at ThinkIn, Logpoint's user and partner conference. Over these next 2 days, we're going to be engaging with our partners, learning more about the cyber industry, the trends that are going on, how we can help address them, and of course, we have to focus on the tech. So we're going to spend some time looking at the Logpoint platform, how you can use it, and get the most out of it. It'll be a great 2 full days here in Copenhagen.
The threat landscape right now is undergoing a tremendous change. And with the political events in Ukraine and post-COVID, a dramatic shift in the threat landscape has happened.
But takeaways for this event, it's really great. First of all, to see all people, partners and customers. This morning we had a really great information about a Ukraine security officer, about how the cyber security, the cyber attacks are really important also in the war. The war is also on the cyber field, so that's really interesting to see that.